Tapos, yung platysma talaga is usually with the subcutaneous tissue na and, of the skin. Masasama na talaga siya. Okay? Kasi nasa subcutaneous tissue siya. Pagdating above the hyoid, it's a little bit harder. So actually like here, if you're too superficial, actually maiwanan mo yung platysma. And then, skin ka na, sobrang nipis. So, above the hyoid, it's a little bit more difficult. Okay? So, this is actually part of the platysma. So, usually, pag nag-skin ka, sinundan mo na yung fascia. Pag dinissect mo yan, sasama na talaga yung platysma dun sa skin. Okay, so this is superficial dissection. Okay, this muscle, the big one, sternocleidomastoid. Okay, sternal head and clavicular head. Okay. Tapos makikita mo pa yung superficial vein sa may harap, anterior jugular vein. I think I found it. I have ito. You have external jugular here. So, above siya nung very superficial siya. Ito anterior. Kinat ko na siya kanina. Anterior jugular vein. Okay, so may connection sila. Okay? Tapos, we cut the SCM, sternocleidomastoid. The fascia covering the sternocleidomastoid is the investing layer or superficial layer of the deep cervical fascia. Okay, so nilift siya. Labas na Okay. Na din mata ko. Okay, what muscle is this? Omohyoid. There, and this one? Mas superficial. From the
Sternothyroid.
higher up, sternohyoid. Mas superficial siya. Nasa loob yung mas deep. So, sa mas superficial layer, you have your omohyoid and your sternohyoid. If you cut that, you'll have the deeper one na mukhang one continuous pero hindi. Your thyrohyoid. Okay, here, ito yung oblique line. Thyrohyoid and sternothyroid. Okay? Then if you retract that, you'll see already the thyroid gland here. Okay, so hindi ko pa siya masyadong dinadissect. I'll just repeat it for the others, okay? So thyroid cartilage here, thyroid gland. There's the laryngeal prominence ng thyroid cartilage niya. Okay, so hindi pa ako nagdi-deep dissection, so whoever has this cadaver can do it, but at least ma-appreciate niyo yung mga superficial muna. Sa posterior hindi pa masyado. Kasi actually pag posterior, kailangan rotate mo yung yung head So dito sa cadaver, hindi natin magawa, so medyo mahirap. Dito nga pala, I think I was able to find the thoracic duct. If you see dito, this is the internal jugular. Laki ng internal jugular niya. Sobrang dilated na pierce na nga namin. Internal jugular. Medyo maliit yung carotid niya in comparison. It's there inside. And the nerve in between is the vagus nerve. Okay. And actually see here, diba, internal jugular, subclavian, you see this duct, thoracic duct. Okay, there's a lot of fatty tissue in this area that tinanggal ko yan. Lots of fats and lymphatic stuff. May thoracic duct na. What else? Yun. Basically, yun yung, I think this is a spinal accessory, but I'm not sure. Hindi ko pa masyadong binubuklat-lat yung sa likod. Okay, so, yan na muna ang anihin nyo. Sa mandibular gland, here, okay, and medyo makikita mo na some fibers of the digastric. Okay, pero hindi pa ako nag-deep dissection dyan. Okay, and then the mylohyoid will be here.